say hi? Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm Mom Tara. Say hi, Bryson.
Hi.
Bryson.
And I'm Brian, Big Brian, and this is Brian Jr.
Oh, you want more? Can you say more? Can you say please? Okay. What about you, Bryson? Can you say quiet? Good job.
Yay.
Okay, so Brian and Bryson are nonverbal, autistic. Bryson has some words. Brian don't really have any, but he has some sign language. Dad just got home from work. He drives on a truck. Sorry we're late.
So sorry.
Okay, take two.
Take two.
Okay. Hey.
Hello, everybody.
Say hi. Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi. This is
everybody.
Brian. Take three.
Hello, everybody. This is the Hill family. My name is Brian, Big Brian.
No mouth.
This is Brian Jr. Say hi. Say hi.
Okay, he said hi. He's
Okay,
nonverbal.
We're coming to you guys from Los Angeles, California.
LA.
And we love
We do
Amazon,
use.
Alexa.
That's a lie. We don't know. We have not used Alexa, but we do say, "Hey, okay, Google, can you do this? Okay, do this." We do some voice command and a little bit of AI ChatGPT. Come sit down. Can you say hi? Good job. Can you say please, Mama? Let me show me, please, Mama. Mama, please. Okay. All right. Okay. So okay. Say cheese. Say cheese.
Where's our
Yeah.
magic wand?
Magic wand. We're gonna draw a bed. Ready? Let's write the word bed. B E D. Bedtime. Say bye.
Good night.